Hello everyone, this is Davian at Homestead, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade fruit leather with no added sugars. So this flavor that I'm making here is going to be blueberry. So I've got frozen blueberries. You could use fresh or frozen. This is just what we have on hand. And you are also going to need a decent sized pot and a 1 cup measuring cup. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water to the blueberries and set it on medium heat, stirring frequently to make sure it doesn't burn to the bottom. Once those have been cooking down for a little bit, I'm going to use this really nice tool. It's an Immersion Blender, and I am just going to blend that to a thick paste. Okay, so right here I have a rack from a dehydrator, and I lined it with some parchment paper, and we are going to dump some of the mixture onto here and spread a thin layer over it with the help of a rubber spatula. Now you can place it into your dehydrator and put the settings to the correct notches. So here are the settings that I am using for my dehydrator. I have, for the temp, it's halfway between low and high, roughly at medium. And for how many hours it goes, I'm going to let it go for 6 hours. What I'm going to do next is peel this fruit leather sheet off of the wax paper. So as I'm peeling this off, you have to be very gentle because it's very fragile and will totally rip on you. And as I'm peeling it off, I'm going to cut little strips about from here to here big. And there is your fruit leather. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate if you liked it and subscribed to our channel or shared it with your friends. Also, if you try out this recipe, we would appreciate if you would let us know how it went in the comments below. Thank you!